¿Qué es la que hay, my positivities? What's happening? Today we're going to be doing a very springtime look. I'm going to be showing you how to get this look right here. So if you're interested, keep on watching. And before you do that, can I have you like this video? Thumbs up. Right? And then go ahead and subscribe. Wherever the subscribe button is going to be at. Do that, please. Greatly appreciated. Let's grow la familia con mis positivities. Lift each other up and bring more positivity to the channel. And now we're going to get into this makeup look right here. So if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. Let's go. So we're going to start off with the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is in the shade 350. Don't mind me, my pump broke, so we're just going to put it on using this little stick. And we're just going to put that on. We ghetto with it. Next, we're just going to blend it out with the Fenty Beauty sponge. And we don't want no lines of demarcation, honey, so we're going to blend that real good. All done. Now we're going to take our little brushes and our cute little brush holder, and we're going to give that ass a disclaimer. So listen up. Don't come for me, okay? Don't come for me because I know y'all going to come for me because I need new brushes. So, you know, my dogs got to my brushes and they chewed them bitches up. So some of my brushes are going to be real raggedy and bitten up, but they still work. So we going to use them. Now we were gonna show you how we did our brows, but we ain't doing that shit. Next, we're gonna go ahead and contour. We're gonna use the Fenty Matchsticks in the shade Truffle, and we're just gonna put that anywhere we want to get a little snatch, a little snizzage. Ooh, we snatching them cheekbones, snatching that forehead. We concealing them double chins because we don't want to see those. And we gonna snatch that nose. Cause what is breathing? We don't know her. Who is she? Next, we're gonna use our e.l.f. face sculpting brush. And we're gonna go in and blend all that out. Cover them double chins, girl. Get them double chins, girl. We dropping them off in 2019, but until they gone, we concealing them up. Oh, and now it's time to snatch them cheekbones, sis. Snatch it. It wasn't enough. We had to go in. We ain't playing no games. We had to add some more. Okay, sis. Other side. Go ahead and add some more to that side too. Snatch it up. Snatch it up. Snatch it up. See how it gives you a very subtle low snatch moment? That's what I live for. That's what I live for. That's what I live for. Yes, we live, sis. Now we're going to go ahead and take our concealer. And it's the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Cool Tan. We're just going to apply that to all the high points of our face. We're going to go ahead and blend those out using the Fenty sponge as well. And you guys, if you want to know how I did my eyebrows, leave it in the comments below and I can make an eyebrow tutorial. Also, an eyeliner tutorial because we was having a hard time today, sis. So it just didn't happen on camera. Go ahead and snatch that concealer up. And we're going to use Patrick's powder and this black beauty blender. And I really like this beauty blender when I'm setting everything in place with the powder. Shout out to Patrick because this powder is bomb. We're just going to go over everything that we already concealed. And we're going to go a little bit over the brows just to set them in place. Make sure there ain't no smudging. And, oh, cut it. Yes. Cut that contour. Other side. Oh, yes. Cut that contour, sis. Now we're going to go in with the Day Slayer palette. And we're going to go in the shade Forever. And we're just going to go over our cream contour with the powder. Just to make sure that we are snatched. Okay? Because cream is just not enough. You need powder. And not just one color of powder. You need 2 colors of powder. Because next, we're going to go in with the color Editor. And we're going to go over that thing on more so the perimeter so that it's not too harsh. But it's just the right amount of snatch. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Now we're going to go in with our eyeshadow. And I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and this Fluffy Morphe brush. And I'm going to go in with this yellow color, honey. This is my favorite transition color. I use this in every single one of my looks. I swear. And we packing that on. And we're going to be using that color a lot. So just stay tuned. So we're using that as a base, just applying it, and that's how it's looking right now. Next, we're going to take the Tarte Make Believe in Your Dreams palette in the shade Myth, and we're going to go right on top of that and just a little bit below it, but still over it, you know. We're layering, and it actually blended really well. These worked really well together. I love this palette because it smells so good. Just like chocolate. So that's what we giving right now. That's a little tease we giving, sis. And like I said, back in with that yellow shade on top. Take a drink. Take a shot every time I go over this with this yellow shade. Now we're going to go in with a lighter brick color. And we're going to focus that on the outer V of our eyelids, and we're going to bring it in sort of into the crease and just right above the crease just to give it some more definition. And what we do to one eye, we got to do to the other. This is just like math. What you do to the top, you do to the bottom. What you do to one side, you do to the other side. So fun fact, we added that red on accident. So we're going to have to do that to the other side. But I'm so glad we did because it just brought out the look so much better. Next, we're going to go in with this peachish brown shade on our BH Cosmetics brush. And we're just going to lightly go over that to blend everything together. Just making sure everything's blended, sis. Now we're going to take this Morphe brush right here, and we're going to put these 2 pink shades. Yes, they're both pink, but one looks purple. We're going to put one on each side of the brush after we spray it. So there's the pink, and the purplish is right there. We're going to start with the pink, putting that on the lid. Then with the purple. And then we've done both eyes. We're going to go in with the brush that we used to blend all the other brick shades out. And we're going to blend some more, honey, so that there's no harsh lines and no lines of demarcation or any of that. Blend to the gods, honey. Blend to the gods. Take a shot, y'all. Y'all already know what this is. That's that yellow shade. You already know. Now we're taking the Bremen Rock times Morphe palette, Babe in Paradise, and we're going to put the shade Baby Girl with this damp brush onto our inner corner just to give it that pink pop and glow. We're going to go real heavy with this because we really want that pink to show out. Going back in with that blending brush that we blended everything out with just to make sure there's no harsh lines. And we're going to wipe away that fallout because we had a falling out, sis, but we don't want you to know that. And we're going to put all the same colors on the bottom lash line. So this is the yellow, and I'm trying to drag that down, but it wasn't working. Then I took the Myth shade, and that wasn't giving us no tease. So we had to just go back in with the brick. It didn't look like I was putting a lot of yellow, but on camera it does, which I'm kind of glad about because that's what I wanted it to look like. So I'm glad it shows up on camera, but it wasn't showing up when I was doing it. So yeah, there's that Myth shade that wasn't giving us no play, but it was giving us all the kickback. Look at how much I'm working with this. I was really trying to put that on there. It was not trying to work with me. So we just gonna go back in with the brick shade and the red shade. And we gonna just go ham under there. And taking that fluffy blending brush, just blending everything out. We did our liner off camera because like I said, that was a struggle. So if y'all guys want a liner tutorial, let me know in the comments below. Now we're taking our Rimmel London mascara and we're putting that on the roots of our eyelashes. Ooh, we gave ourselves a beauty mark, but we're going to leave it alone because it was kind of cute. Yes, see, it's cute. Then we're going to go in with the e.l.f. lengthening mascara, I believe, and go ham because it has little fibers in it and makes our eyelashes look real long. Now, like I said, we want a snatch nose. We do not want to be able to breathe. We don't know, sis. So we snatching that nose up. We're taking the shade Forever from the Days Layer palette and we're contouring with this e.l.f. brush. Yes, sis. Now we're taking that shade right there and we're using it as a blush, that red shade, because we want it to be very blushed out. Goes with that pink theme we're trying to go with. And now we're going to take the shade Party in the Tarte blush and just apply that over top so it gives it more of a pinkish tone rather than a red tone. And yeah, look at sis. We're going to put it on our nose for a cute little moment. You can see right here, sis is feeling herself. Ooh. Oh, she thinks she cute. She knows she cute actually. Now we're taking this color Vacation again. Vacation, you know we know about that life. We snatching all your bitches in 2019, sis. No, I'm joking. But am I though? And we're going to put that everywhere we want a little highlight, a little glow, a little subtle some on our forehead, a little bit on the chin, a little bit on the cheeks, right underneath the brow bone, on the lip. Yes, to the brow bone. And now, you know, we're taking baby girl again because we want that pink pop. Right in the brow bones. Right in the brow bones. And now we're taking a concentrated brush with the color baby girl. And look, watch what happens. Watch what happens, y'all. Watch what happens. Ooh! Ooh! Yes! Ooh! 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 Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, she cute. And we're just gonna kind of blend that out. Because as much as we love that color, just how it is, we can't be walking outside looking like that. You know what I mean? You gotta blend. You gotta blend your life away. Blend till your arms fall off, sis. If you still got arms on your body, you ain't blending enough. Now for the lips, we're taking the color Mahogany in the MAC lip liners. And we got this from Patrick's collection. And we're just going to line our lips all over with this. We're going to line it up and then we're going to rub it all together. There's got to be a lot of rubbing together here, okay? And we're going to use our finger because I am not ashamed to use my finger to rub stuff in, okay? That's what's going to give me the perfect blend. So now we're using the shade Up to No Good from the Fenty Mademoiselles. And then we're going to take a little bit of Candy Venom, also a Fenty Mademoiselle lipstick. And we're going to blend that all together with our finger to get it popping, okay? And then we're going to add a little bit of Up to No Good right back in the center and some Gloss Bomb. And we're going to apply some setting spray. And not apply, we're going to drown ourselves in setting spray because it's necessary. It's really not that necessary. I mean, setting spray is necessary, but you don't have to put that much. But it's necessary for me to drown myself. So that's what we're going to do. I'm actually going to go change. And I'll be back with the finished ones. So you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay positive and I love you guys. Adios. Bye. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see from me next. And go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Share with all your friends. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time that I make a video. Alright guys, remember to stay positive and we out this thing. Adios.